the disintegration of the Mughal Empire and the emergence of independent states. The disintegration of the Mughal Empire and the emergence of independent states marked a significant phase in Indian history during the 18th century. Several factors contributed to the decline of the Mughal Empire, including external invasions, internal strife, economic challenges, and the rise of regional powers. This period saw the emergence of various independent states, each asserting its authority over specific regions. Here's an overview of this transformative era. External invasions. The Mughal Empire faced invasions from external powers, including the Persian invasions of Nadir Shah in 1739 and Ahmad Shah Durrani, Ahmad Shah Abdali, in the 1740s. These invasions led to the plundering of Delhi and the weakening of Mughal authority. Economic challenges. The economic decline of the Mughal Empire, marked by financial mismanagement, heavy taxation, and agrarian issues, contributed to the weakening of central authority. The empire's inability to address economic challenges eroded its control over regions. Rise of regional powers. Marathas. The Marathas, based in the Deccan, emerged as a powerful regional force. Under leaders like Chhatrapati Shivaji and later the Peshwas, the Marathas expanded their influence over large parts of central and western India. The Third Battle of Panipat in 1761, where the Marathas suffered a significant defeat, weakened their central authority but did not eliminate their influence. 6. The Northwest, the Sikhs, led by charismatic leaders like Guru Gobind Singh and later Maharaja Ranjit Singh, established a Sikh kingdom that challenged Mughal and Afghan authority. Nawabs and Rajputs. Various Nawabs and Rajput rulers asserted their autonomy and established independent states in different parts of India, further fragmenting the Mughal Empire. Deccan Sultanates. The Deccan Sultanates, including the Nizam of Hyderabad, the Qutub Shahis of Golconda, and the Adil Shahis of Bijapur, gained greater autonomy and control over their territories. European colonial powers. European colonial powers, particularly the British and the French, took advantage of the weakening Mughal authority and engaged in alliances and conflicts with regional powers to expand their influence. Decline of central authority. The Mughal emperors during this period, including Aurangzeb's successors, were often figureheads with limited authority. The emperor's influence extended only to a small area around Delhi, and various provinces and regions operated independently. Emergence of independent states. As the Mughal Empire disintegrated, various independent states, both large and small, emerged across the Indian subcontinent. These states had their own administrative structures, armies, and cultural identities. The disintegration of the Mughal Empire and the emergence of independent states set the stage for the subsequent period of regional kingdoms and the eventual dominance of European colonial powers in different parts of India. This era was characterized by a complex web of political, economic, and cultural changes that laid the foundation for the diverse political landscape of modern India.